So this is Riverponics. This is our patented brewer. You can do compost teas. You can do water soluble nutrients, liquid nutrients. You can run the straight water through here. It really doesn't matter. You can put about anything you want in this thing, and it delivers nutrients and water out to this hybrid growing system. So this is the workhorse right now. I am just strictly running water, and I have been since the time I planted all this stuff, and now it's a lot bigger, a hell of a lot bigger. Create my own soil. So this is my own soil. It's a hybrid growing system. I've been lazy enough where I haven't even put lids in there to cover up the water, but everything's doing fine. And I got a feed there. That's the reservoir. That feed runs over to a garden hose, hooks up there. There's a float valve inside here, inside the reservoir. And then from there, I just get this right out of the way actually. And then from there, there's a pump in there. It runs right up that tube, up to the brewer. This is where everything brews, and then ultimately gets sent out to the back side of the brewer. Come around. Back side of the brewer, hit your control valve. Follow that 3/4 inch pipe out to each grow channel. It's just 3/4 running out, then I have 3/8 rubber hose running in. That goes all down the whole way, and each grow channel has a tube running through it, which I can then show you our grow channels that we have. Bear in mind, all this stuff can be sold separately. There's a leaf inside there. Tube feeds it. This is how you control the amount of water that's in each grow channel, but it's open-ended just like here on both sides. On the other end, and this is 12 foot long. This whole channel is 12 foot. So on this end, the other end, it's open-ended, so that water is always traveling like this, and then it gets recycled, drains out back to the reservoir through that 2-inch tube. Repeats the cycle. Does that all the way down through here. There again, it's a hybrid growing system. You can do soilless stuff in here though. You can do just strictly hydroponics. I'm using soil, but we offer a soilless mix that we created too, for it's reusable for more like indoor use and stuff. But yeah, man, I've been doing this for a long time. I've had nothing but success, man, with everyone that has this system and grows mainly cannabis. And it just blows it out of the water, guys. There's people on Instagram using my equipment. Anyway, I'm trying to walk through here. But my cucumbers, man, everything's blowing up, and it's been what, 5-6 weeks. Everything. These were peas. My peas didn't do worth a dang, so. But that's alright. I'm gonna put some other stuff here. Probably some green beans, and yeah, we'll see what I put there. But look at that, even zucchini, man. It's just now coming in. Zucchini, jalapenos, and all this stuff. Kale's just blowing up, man. Kale does real well in here. I mean, it just really, really well. The bell pepper is struggling. Got like some sort of bug or something going on, but it seemed to had the same thing last year, and it pulled out of it eventually. Collard greens. See, you can do a lot of stuff, man. There's some oregano, or no, not oregano, basil. So I forget what kind. But habaneros. I can grow anything in here, man. Jalapenos starting to really come in. Banana peppers, tomato plants. They'll be huge. They'll be big, man. My owl's upside down. So anyways, yeah, check me out. I have a website. riverponics.com. Thanks for watching.